4-hour gold XAUUSD chart. Date, May 7, 2025. Time frame, 4-hour chart. Current price, 3,383.92. Indicators, RSI, 14, 63.63, still bullish, but cooling off from overbought. MA 20, 3.375.92, acting as immediate support. MA 50, 3,298.22. MA 200, 3,254.72. Market situation today. Price action. Gold rejected resistance near 3,440, local top on May 6. A bearish candle formed signaling a pullback or profit taking. Price is testing the MA 20, a critical short-term support. Momentum RSI. RSI is still above 60, indicating momentum remains bullish. However, it is falling from the recent high near 75, so bullish strength is weakening. Volume and trend. Trend remains upward in the short term, 20, 50, 200 MA. Low volume pullbacks are normal in an uptrend. As long as price holds above 3,350, 3,375, bulls are in control. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario, high probability. If price holds above 3,375, MA 20, and RSI stabilizes, we may see a bounce back toward 3,120, 3,040. Breakout above 3,440 opens the path to 3,080 or higher. Bearish pullback scenario. If price closes below 3,375, a deeper pullback is likely. First support, 3,350. Strong support zone, 3,300, MA 50. Trading levels for May 7. Type level, support 1, 3,375, May 20. Support 2, 3,350. Support 3, 3,300, May 5. Resistance 1, 3,400. Resistance 2, 3,400. Upside target, 3,000. Conclusion. Gold is in a short-term pullback within an overall uptrend. Today's key level to watch is 3,375. Holding this level keeps bulls in charge. A break below may lead to short-term weakness.